Hello, this is Patrick. Welcome to Chart Built Wealth, profitable investing with technical analysis. Well, our buy recommendations are doing very well, especially this year with the market flat. Most of our recommendations are up quite a bit, but I'm actually sending the new YouTube video tonight, changing my rating on corn, going from a buy to neutral. So let's get into it. This is the big picture on corn, big bearish trend going back to 2013 to 2020. And then we got a five wave advance. One, two, three, four, five. And now it looks like we're in a ABC correction for the low uh, of two. And then that will set up a third wave, which we want to be in front of, but I'm not sure from what level we're at. On the positive side, we've had these two lower lows. This is this is big picture stuff. We have lower lows here, and we have higher lows on our relative strength index, suggesting that the underlying selling has abated and that it's weak hands. It's retail investors that are still selling, and this usually flashes a caution sign: beware, a change of trend is coming. In this case, from down to up. So this is big picture, but I don't know where this is going to stop. So let's take a closer look at the shorter term outlook. And here it is. Here's where we got involved in it. Here's where we went to a buy rating. There was a bullish inverse head and shoulders pattern over here that suggested more upside. And we held it through the initial downturn, and prices bounced up, and then it traded sideways in a consolidation in a symmetrical triangle. Here's the resistance line. Here's the support line. And then out of nowhere, this is the daily chart. Each one of these bars represents a day. We had just a big downward move in corn prices, huge. And, that kind of shows me a change of character. I didn't want to sell when it happened. I wanted to think about it, see what kind of reaction we were going to get. And all we've really gotten is kind of some overlapping price action since then, and that tells me that this is a corrective advance, and that this is more of a directional advance. So maybe we see a slightly lower low, maybe we see a much bigger lower low, but I'm down 2.8% from where we initiated. That's not too bad. Nobody's going to lose sleep over that. And there's also a lot of other things I want to initiate on. um, I'm expecting a couple more down days in the market, and then I'll probably initiate with one or two new ideas. And it's hard to cover more than seven or eight because then the weekly updates are very long, and nobody really wants to see anything that long. So I want to keep, my buy recommendations to six to seven, at the most eight. Thank you for watching Chart Built Wealth, profitable investing with technical analysis. Please like and subscribe. Tell your friends, neighbors, families. Adios.